Hey. Smack.
Got good cheese.
No.
Sean.
Got good cheese.
Why? Why?
Yummy cheese.
Dad, why?
And some more? Oh. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Sean.
Delicious cheese.
Yum. Yum. Yum.
Yum, 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 yum. Now show me how you smack the cheese to get it on your hand.
Smack it. Blah.
You just lost some cheese. How are you gonna get some more now? Yay! Yay for cheese! Cheese is good. Jam. If I put it in a pot, there we go. Smack that cheese. Now eat it. Put it in your mouth. Smart baby.
And he does it fast so it doesn't fall off.
Got a big long string sticking out of your mouth. That's yummy cheese. Yummy, yummy. Oh. Yummy cheese. Yay, yay, yay. Oh. Oh, good job.
No way!
Did you see him grab that piece of cheese?
Awesome. You put it down.
Cheese. Yay! Yay! Jem, can you say more? Say more? Do you want more cheese? More! Good job! Arr. Good cheese. Do you want a drink? You say drink? No? Remember? Drink.
Please, let me smack my cheese.
Drink. Oh, Mom can't aim while I'm trying to look in the camera. Good job. Do you want more? Oh, you're so smart. You're so smart. It's like it's too hard to try to grab cheese, so I smash it and then I lick it off my palm. Ready? Want some more? Say more.
More?
Say more. That's right. Good job.
Oh, yeah, by the way.
Sweet baby. We love you. Ah. What is that? You funny baby. Oh, Mom didn't do it. It's like I don't like the way you do it, Mom.